Want to make your BNB work for you? Let's quickly stake it on Binance Earn. Open Binance, log into your account, and head to the Earn menu section on the top menu. Now, type BNB in the Earn search bar. You'll see different staking options like flexible or locked. Choose a locked period like 30, 60, or 90 days. Longer locks usually give you higher rewards. Click subscribe, amount of BNB you want to stake, and confirm. If you want to withdraw anytime, select flexible instead, but keep in mind rewards are lower. And that's it. Your BNB is now staked on Binance Earn, generating passive income for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.